Hi, here's your explanation for part 2 of 4 of the creativity project. So earlier this semester, we read A Modest Proposal by Jonathan Swift, and it gave a very creative solution to a problem. Admittedly satirical, but it was a creative solution nevertheless. So additionally, we have read several pieces from the Victorian, modern, and postmodern era that use literature to make political statements. Remember Chimney Sweeper, Oliver Twist, even The Doll's House, okay? Your task is to read an essay about a political or social topic concerning a creative solution to a problem and write a multi-paragraph response. Now, we're not talking Democrat versus Republican here. We're talking societal issues as a whole, okay? There is a whole list here, which I'm going to get to in a second, but you do not have to pick from this list. If you have a political essay that provides a creative solution you rather analyze, you can do that. But it has to be from a credible source. And if you're not sure if it's a credible source, contact me, okay? Because you will get dinged if it's not from a credible source. Consider what you've learned from that Crash Course series when you begin to select your piece. There are lots of different topics you can explore here, such as health, science, psychology, climate change, engineering, politics, policy, taxes, social issues, violence, abuse, alcohol, drugs, religion, economics, poverty, status, class, greed, all. And you're not limited to that. It's social commentary. Think about when we read The Doll's House. It wasn't attacking the government. It was talking about social issues as a whole. Okay, so this entry must include a creative title for your entry, the author and title of the essay that you read. You need a detailed multi-paragraph response of answering the following questions. 1. Summarize the piece. What was the main idea the person was trying to express? What are we as the reader expected to get from it? 2. Do you agree with the creative solution the author has presented? Why or why not? 3. Do you believe this creative solution this is a creative solution that could effectively create change in our society? Why or why not? You need to use evidence from the piece to support your ideas. At the end of your entry, you need to have an MLA work citation for the story you analyzed. Highly recommend 3 paragraphs for this response, but it has to be a multi-paragraph response. Now, let's go to this list. There's lots of different options for you here. You are not limited to these. There are lots of podcasts available about technology, about school, about quantum mechanics and emotion. You could watch videos, you could watch essays, or you could read essays. It even talks about a century in cinema. So is Google making us stupid? Stop Googling, let's talk. There's lots of different issues here. And again, if you don't, there's several essays within this PDF you can choose from as well. If you click on this link, okay. Again, you're not limited to this. It's just a list to get you started. All right. If you have any questions about this portion of your project, please do not hesitate to reach out. I'm more than happy to help you. And I'm really excited to learn about some creative solutions to some of society's issues. Thank you so much and have a good day.